bored, your first priority should be making a list of funny things to do, paint with guns, collect memories, make surprises, and come up with new games. Watch these and other fun ideas in our new video. Redhead's found a totally awesome way to beat the boredom. She's playing a new game, Era of Celestials. It inspires her to work magic. Still, she doesn't succeed at first. Anyway, she continues discovering the divine power. Oops! Why do I need an iron? Well, how do they use the spells? Ah! Phew! Cookies! That's better! Oops! It's a miss again! I can transform into invincible celestials and mow down murderous demon hordes. Suddenly, my friend comes up, busy as always. The realistic sounds and stunning visuals of the game attract her attention. She grabs my phone. I try to tell her that hunting bosses is the main way of getting equipment and crafting materials. While she experiences the path of the vanquisher, I continue my magic tricks. The superb animation effects and detailed 3D graphics bring her the ultimate game experience on mobile. Blondie takes her phone so that we can engage in PvP battles and guilds. We keep looting and crafting tons of items, and in the meantime try to use the divine power in real life. Era of Celestials is available on Android and iOS platforms. Download the game using the link below. Thanks Era of Celestials for sponsoring this video. The girls are all ready for a sleepover. A whole night of fun, gossip, stories, and of course, secrets is ahead. Let's write everything down in our princess diary so that we don't forget something important. Take a hardcover notebook. Mix acrylic paints. We choose blue shades. Apply paint onto the cover using a sponge. Print and cut out a Fairytale princess silhouette. Place it onto the painted area. Mix contrasting colors in the palette. Cover the remaining surface of the notebook over the cutout. Take the cutout off the cover. Print and cut out a Fairytale castle silhouette. Put it over the painted area of the cover. Paint the remaining free space of the cover with darker shades. Apply shades of light and dark blue to the contours of the castle and sprinkle it with glitter. Set it with spray paint and take the castle stencil off. The girls memorialize all their gossip and secrets in this magical princess diary. Now it keeps all the girls' secrets safe. The most important thing is to not sneak peeks. Only best friends have access to these secret files. Redhead is bored out of her mind. Even sleeping is more fun than doing nothing. Dolly has a plan. To be more precise, a whole planner filled with balloons and things to do. Cover a sheet of foam plastic with acrylic paint. Paint the title, To-Do List, on top using contrasting paint. Cut felt into small pieces. Attach them to the foam plastic to make 2 parallel lines. Use thumbtacks. Draw small circles and cut out holes near the partitions. Insert paper strips. Stick a dart into the last partition. Write down things to do on the strips of paper. Insert balloons into the holes. Hot glue a ribbon vertically to the back side so that it supports the balloons and tie balloons to it. Here's how to use this wonder planner. It's very simple. Hang up the planner. Pop a balloon with a wire and come up with how to do the challenge that falls out. Well, you need to have some accuracy in order to use it. Redhead struggles to hit the target, but she pulls it off with a bit of support from her friend. The goal is achieved. The first task is to do something weird today. This task is not for the weak. Do something weird? What about making a black banana? Put berries into a banana container. Add water and put it into a freezer. Cover a banana peel with black paint, inside and outside. Remove the banana. Take the ice out when it's frozen, put it together, and cover with plastic wrap. Let it sit for half a minute so that the halves melt enough to connect. Put it back into the fridge. You need some imagination to pull off this task. Unfortunately, our rainbow imagination took the day off. The only thing we managed to make is a gothic banana. That's way too weird, even for us. Come on, let's do the second challenge. We got make coffee. Dolly runs around the entire house like a happy coffee lover because coffee is her favorite drink and she's been looking forward to this task. Watch out, kitchen! Cover a board with foil. Melt chocolate in a microwave. Cut a corner off a sheet of protector and pour it inside. Paint chocolate hearts on foil. Put it into a fridge. Cover coffee with whipped cream and add some chocolate decor. The most beautiful cup of coffee is made by Dolly. Come on, redhead, coffee tasting awaits you. You just need some chocolate decor to complete the picture. We decorate the foam with hearts. That's a real heartwarming cup of coffee. The next challenge is to make a jar of summer memories. But what should we put in it? Melted ice cream? A grasshopper skeleton? Nope, we should look for summer memories by the seaside. We'll figure out what to do from there. Pour some sand into an empty glass jar. Put seashells and corals inside and a fake pearl. Paint the lid blue. Hot glue decorative sea rope to the neck of the jar. Make a tag. Make holes in cardboard using a hole puncher and sign the summer jar. Attach the tag to the rope. Sea breeze, sand, and seashells put you into a summer mood at once. We recall the best moments of this summer. Write them down and put them into the jar. Now it is filled with warmth because all the most summery and sunniest stories are stored in it along with seashells. Its expiration date is next summer. The next challenge says, paint something. Then we definitely need a canvas and water guns instead of brushes. Take frame backing and watercolor paper. The sheet of paper should be half an inch bigger than frame backing. Use a sponge to dampen the paper with water along the perimeter. Fasten the paper on the frame backing with thumbtacks. Try to place thumbtacks symmetrically so that the paper stretches out evenly over the frame backing when it dries. Leave it to dry in a horizontal position. We are painting outside. Let's try out our painting gun technique. We dissolve some paint in water and shoot with it. Painting turns into a colorful war, right until Redhead runs out of acrylic bullets. But you can also paint on your friends' clothes. Art smoothly becomes a water battle. The last challenge from the list is to make invitations. At last, our imaginations wake up and decide to invite everyone to brighten their mood. Cut watercolor paper into 3 identical parts. Cut as much paper as you need for invitation cards. Put them into a pile and fasten with a rubber band. Dip one edge in water and color the wet paper with bright paints. Do the same with the other edge. Take the rubber bands off when the paint is dry. Iron the paper so that the cards are flat. Make a pattern on the edges with a scrapbooking puncher. Now, write a surprise on every invitation card. Sad girls cheer up right away. They get hugs and selfie invitations. And this lucky guy gets a present card. Dolly looks for something to give, and she finds some bubble gum. Even a tiny surprise like this can cheer you up. The girls hang up cute surprise boxes. But cutting fishing line with regular scissors is only for boring people. We made special gigantic scissors. Draw a circle on thick cardboard. Draw a smaller circle inside it. Make a line in the center of the circle. Connect the straight line and the circle with an arc. Cut it out. Make one more piece like this. Place one onto the other crisscross so that you get a scissor shape. Draw a circle in the center and trace a paper towel filler inside of it. Cut it out and place the tube inside. Cut the tube so that it's of the needed size. Attach finger holes with stationery tape. Cut the tape a bit so that it looks smooth. Attach it to the inside of handles too. Cut 2 circles that are a bit bigger than the plug out of the remaining cardboard. Make hearts with a scrapbooking puncher and glue the details to the plug. Color the scissors with spray paint using rainbow shades. Paint the inner edges in silver. Cut the inside part of the scissors. Pour on some glue and attach stationary blades carefully. These giant scissors can handle any gardening job, paper decor, and even hairdressing. Just be careful not to cut your friend's ears off. And of course, the scissors can easily cut fishing line with surprise boxes. Dolly gets a cute hair accessory. It's exactly what her hair needs. And Redhead keeps on looking for treasures. Good luck! Redhead loves taking care of her hair, so she will definitely like this anti-stress case. Clean a clear phone case. Cover the top of the case with silver acrylic paint. Sprinkle glitter on top. Paint a girl on the bottom part. Start with a head, then paint a neck and shoulders. Then paint the whites of the eyes. Add some shades to the silhouette. Paint ears and a nose. Define details. Paint blue eyes and pink lips. Define eyebrows and lashes. Add shine on the eyes. Let's dress the doll now. Paint a top with a ruffle. Do her hair. Attach hair extensions. Attach strands starting from the bottom. That will hide the joinings under the upper strands. Closer to the forehead, attach shorter strands. This case has a stunning hairdo. Long and soft strands will calm you down anytime you have a stressful call. And you won't get bored with this painted doll for sure. Long hair is a hot trend. Even phone cases are rocking that style. Did you like our funny ideas to fight boredom? Then write in the comments which game you will play with your friends when you have some free time. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss any funny new ideas on Troom Troom.